Hi students, we will continue with the white LED generation. I will share the slide. So we had already we covered the Foster method of creating white LED and the dichromatic LED also we covered. Now we will move to the trichromatic LED white source. So high quality white light can be generated by mixing of three primary colors. The primary colors are blue, green and red, right? So these primary colors of mixing of these primary colors will come out with the white light, okay? So the emission spectrum of trichromatic LED source color temperature already we described, that is 6500 Kelvin, and illumination efficiency in radiation of 336 lumen per watt, or we described about lumen per watt. So this is so LED we need power, electrical power means, so in this much electrical power, 1 watt of electrical power is required to produce this much lumen of light intensity, okay? So color rendering index is greater than 89, okay? And here we use the wavelength 460 nanometer, 540 nanometer and 50 nanometer. So another wavelength pattern that we can use is 455 nanometer, 530 and 610 nanometer. So they also produce excellent color rendering properties. CRI value is equal to 93, and the luminous efficacy is almost 300 lumen per watt, okay? So one important thing you have to remember that the CRI value, this value 93 or 89 value depends on very sensitively on the wavelength. So here you got this wavelength pattern combination 460, 540 and 615, you got 89, and for this combination you got 93. So this combination is very, very important. If any, that CRI value depends on sensitivity, very sensitive to this wavelength combination, okay? Any changes in wavelength or the wavelength changes decrease, the CRI value decrease rapidly. That means CRI value decrease rapidly when the wavelength combination deviates from the optimum combination. So two optimum combination I have shown here. This is one optimum combination. One combination is here. So you can do it in some simulation work. You take this wavelength and the simulation and see the output wavelength and output white color intensity. That is, you can see the color rendering index and this illumination efficacy, and changes this value wavelength and changes the variation in these two, okay? So thus maintaining an optimum wavelength combination is very critical for this trichromatic LED white sources, okay? Any changes make a deviation from this chromatic, this color rendering index and this efficacy radiation, okay, illumination efficacy, okay? So general and tetrachromatic LED white sources, the wavelength combination is 460, 525, 590, 640 and 95 is a CR value, and the luminous efficacy is 306. We will discuss more about these trichromatic LED white sources in coming session, okay? A trichromatic LED bias source, this is asked in university question. How will you generate white source LED light using indium gallium nitride and aluminum gallium indium phosphide, okay? So here we are using indium gallium nitride blue and green LED that using indium gallium nitride, and red LED using aluminum gallium indium phosphide AlGaInP for generating this. So these are the primary colors. So that will generate, this is a peak of blue, this is green, this is red, right? So this is from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer almost. So our eye cannot differentiate the intensity of this blue or green or yellow. That will see all the three wavelengths are, three primary colors are there and a wide spectrum. So that lies in the visible region. So they will eye recognize it as white light, okay? That we discussed last class. So here you can see that these primary colors blue, green and red, so the spectrum is wide, covering the entire visible region, and what you are getting is white light. So white light, the CR value chromatic coordinate, bichromatic coordinate. These details I already given as a link in the previous slides. So this part we will get a white. So exact white is this 3 and 0.3. Okay, this is exact white. Similarly, this color, red color, is here super color, and color and CR value decreases as moving away from this value. Similarly, different colors. Okay. So this tetrachromatic adjustable color temperature white LEDs peak wavelength combination. So so far we studied about tricolor chromatic LEDs. Tetrachromatic LEDs wavelength is 620, 562, 505, and 449 nanometer. The minimum CRI value is 97 and 93 is same time. So when this is mainly used for communication applications, we will study for examination point of view. This is not so important. We will study in later stage when we use for communication. So we need in optical communication we need a light source. So as a light source, the most suitable thing is this tetrachromatic white LED, right? So I am stopping at this point. We will continue the next class. Okay.